In the last session, you have seen how to perform simple flotation techniques or test. In this video lecture, I will show how to perform test tube flotation test. So for conducting the test, first, pour the prepared fecal suspension in flotation fluid into a test tube until a convex meniscus is formed. Then a cover slip is placed over the meniscus and kept in standing condition for a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes. Afterwards, carefully lift off the cover slip from the test tube and place it onto a glass slide. And then observe the smear under a microscope. That's it. Some important things you have to remember here. Smear from flotation test should be examined as quickly as possible because the high specific gravity and salt of flotation solutions may destroy the eggs, larvae, cyst and oocyst of different parasites. Thank you so much for watching this video, and watch the next video on how to perform centrifugal flotation.